and all the stuff that we're mixed up with that is not that, like the things that produce the stress and all the mental machinations and social manipulations and, striving for something that might resolve our inner void. This is not good for survival. Actually, physiologically, anatomically, you say, as a body, as a mind, as a nervous system, this is not good for us because it hurts us. It hurts your nervous system. See, it stresses your nervous system out. Push you, but these things you think you need because there's something missing, and sometimes, once again, what people think is missing is just the fact they don't know. That's not supposed to be there. See? In whatever form. And once again, I don't think most people even notice the not knowing straight up. They have different ways. It forms into malignancy, and it turns into different forms. But I think it's based on this fact of not knowing, and as if it's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be conquered. And then there's all kinds of personal things. I have to attain this. I have to attain that. I need to, whatever. Avoid these things, And so you're busy doing these things. And the attainment, the stuff that you do for resolution. I have to be liked. I have to be feared. I have to be respected. I have to be loved. I have to be, seen. I have to be knowledgeable, etc., whatever it is. Say, I have to be in control. All those things are setting out to resolve something. So that's where the drive is. That's why the drive is. It's not like I say you have to be. So you could control it. You could be seen. You could be loved. You think that's not the problem. See, the problem is have to. See, it's the drive. I have to. I will die if I don't. Is basically the thing there. You see, I can't live with the shame. See, I can't live unless I can get this. See, because it's going to make me whole and complete. It's going to make me right. And like I say, it doesn't, it hasn't, and it won't. See? Yeah. That's the bad news. The good news is you don't have to. It doesn't matter. It's not you. It's not you. You don't need it. See? There's nothing missing. You just think there's something missing. You think something's going to have to be resolved, but that's just because you're locked onto some assumption or something by yourself. See? And that's the good news, so to speak.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.